This is how to remove the cups from a BMW differential. That's what everyone calls them. I guess maybe output flanges. Maybe that's what your seals or whatever are called. And there's a little special puller tool to where you don't got to nick up this metal ring that's around the outside. What I always see the problem is I see guys just strictly pulling on, well, I guess I pulled this one, so that actually did technically work, and I just broke the ring. Interesting. But you need to get behind it so you can just get in there. And then typically it's just here, about as deep as pressed as you can get, and then a swing on a hammer. Boom. A little more pry action on her. Oh yeah. That's it. That's seriously it. Thanks for watching. Not because no one's gonna watch.